Cool. Let's add Java Faker into our projects so we can have fake emails and names. So in here, you can see that this is how we add the dependency, which I've just copied. So I'm using Maven. For Gradle, just use this. And in your Java code, it's as simple as saying Faker, new Faker, and then you invoke it. So let's open up IntelliJ, and in here, open up the pom.xml, and let's add Faker right here, and just reload. Awesome. Now go to main. So here, what we're going to do is let's just get rid of all of this. And basically, we just add one customer because at the moment, we're not destroying the data. So here, I'm going to say save and then customer. And this should be customer. And for the name, so it's not going to be Alex nor alex@gmail.com, but instead we're going to instantiate. So we're going to say new and then Faker. And I'm going to import Faker, extract this to a variable, Faker. Now at this point, I can say, Faker dot and then name. And the name, I can get the first name and last name. So here, let's just get the name. So I'm going to say string, and you can even say var if you want. So var and then a name equals to Faker dot and then name. And let's change this to var as well. And at this point, I can say name dot and then let's actually just say name, right? So I think we could use full name if you want. Let's just say full name. Yeah, let's just have full name in there. And we can actually inline this because we're not using last name. And also for the email, this will be, so we could say Faker dot and then internet dot, and then we have email address or safe email address. I'm not sure what is the difference, but let's just use the safe email address. Awesome. And for the age, let's have a random number between 16 and 99, for example. So here, let's just say random, and then random equals to new and then random. And what we're going to do is we're going to say random dot and then next int, where we basically give the origin as well as the bound. So the origin, I think it's 16 and 99. So I think this is inclusive. So there we go, without the semicolon. And now let's start the application and see which random person that we add to our database. Awesome. So we have the insert. So each time that we reload, we have some data. Hide this. Let's check our database. And before we had 3 people, now we should have 4. So select staff from customer. And check this out. So we have in here, so Neville and then Nicholas. And obviously the email doesn't represent the person. So you can see Dominic dot and then Lowy or low. But if you want to, you could basically get the first name and last name at example.com. And in fact, let's just do that just to be safe. So let's go back, and within IntelliJ, so the reason why I wanted to extract this to a variable was because of this. So name. And now we don't use this, but instead we just say name dot, and then let's get the first name dot to lowercase, and then plus, and then dot, let's just say dot, and then plus, and name dot last name dot to lowercase. There we go. And then we could say plus, and then at, and then example, or let's just say amigoscode.com. So these are people from amigoscode.com. Right. And I think this should be it. So let's just restart once more. Let's check our database. And select start from customer, and we should see that we have, so even this as well. So the name that we get from the name of in here is completely different. But you can see that we are getting random data. So let me fix this one more time. And that is, so in here, let's get the first name. So here I'm going to extract this, and I'm going to say first name. Let's also get the last name. Last name, just like that. And then here I'm going to say first name plus, and then space, and then plus, and then last name. Last name. Cool. So this is much better. And let's reload once more. I think this is the last time, I swear. Cool. Let's check. And let's select everyone. And by the way, let me just remove expand the display on. So backslash and then X, and then select start from customer, press enter, and check this out. This time is what we want. So Mayoko Dickinson, and this is the email in here. Cool. This is pretty much it. And you can see the age, 86, random numbers in here, and we are good to go. If you have any questions on what we've done here, please do let me know. Otherwise, catch me on the next one.